I'm going to cut out the water supply from the water line and then drain all this water that's inside of this toilet, drain it out. And because I'm going to turn off the water, it's not going to refill. So that's what we're going to do right now. And the water line is right here. All right, as you can see, hopefully you can see the water line right here. So only thing I'm gonna do, most water lines are simple like this. You just turn it the opposite direction of where it is already. So you turn it the opposite direction all the way until it stops, and you turn the water line off. All right, so next we're gonna flush the toilet and drain all this water out that's inside of the toilet. Really the only thing I need to do is hold the latch down. And once I hold the latch down, this flap is going to stay open and it's going to keep draining the water. So let's just do that and save some flushes. So what I decided to do was go ahead and use this plunger to plunge out the rest of this water that's inside of the toilet. I got it down very low. I'm not sure if I can get the rest of it out. I was hoping I could, but I don't know if I can. Try to flush it one more time. All right, nothing happens when I do that. I'm going to take these pliers and try to grip the connection with this. Let's see how it works. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. I'm just going to grab at the top part, the plastic part, and go counterclockwise. There you go. So the next step is to take the screws that really attach the toilet to the floor, which is right here. We gotta take this off, which is just a cover. There you go. Take that bolt off that's attaching it to the floor, which is not even on tight, so that's going to be easy to do.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and smash that bell notification.
Great. And it has some washers and some seals. So we'll keep that on to the side if we decide to use it again. All right, then we just go to the other side. Hopefully you can see that. I'm not sure if I was blocking it with my phone or not, but it's off now. This is the bolt. This is the bolt and the seals and the rings that came off of it. All right, we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. That's pretty much it. The only thing that's holding this toilet to the floor is the seal, the caulk, which is this white stuff that's around the toilet on the floor. And that's not heavy. I just wiggled the toilet and I loosened it up already. So we're gonna loosen it up some more. Okay, you see it move? So it's off the floor now. So I'm gonna just try to pick it up a little bit. All right. So here's a new toilet seal that I purchased. We're going to replace this wax seal with a non-wax rubber seal. And hopefully that installation will be a lot easier and less messy.
Check out the link below.
There you go. Okay. I had to figure out where the bottom of this thing was, and I finally figured it out. So I'm actually pulling it up now. All right. Take that out. This is what I come up with. All right, so let's put on the toilet seal ring. It's pretty much two pieces and some screws and bolts. So first, you're gonna put out the old screw, and the way you do that, you just slide it over until you get to this opening, kind of like a slot. Let me try to grab it for it. I lose it. Gotta turn it. Alright, you can pull it out. So you take both of these out on both sides. Just simple. Next, we're gonna put the new ones in here. Looks like this. But you do the same thing, just slide it back in the opposite way. Put it into the slot and you turn it and position it wherever you want to position it. I've already installed the new screw that goes in the slots. So now I'm just going to put the rubber seal on here. And then put these plastic rings on here. And so what's next is we have to install the toilet. So I cleaned the floor a little bit. Now I'm about to try to slide this toilet on to the floor, to the seal. And I'm trying to do it by myself, so we'll see how that works. Let's go.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And smash that bell notification.
All right, it's back on. So I'm going to screw it down and then plug the water line back up and test it. Use this plier to tighten the nuts up. That's going to secure the bowl to the floor. They're on both sides. So I already screwed it down and now I'm just going to tighten it up. So next, the only thing we're going to do is plug this water line back up and then turn the water on. All right. So we're done with that. Now we're just going to turn the water on. So just turn it the opposite way. And now you hear the water. And then you can see the water going back in the tank. So at the same time, water comes in the bowl of the toilet. Last but not least, we gotta caulk the floor to the toilet. So I cut it in like a 45-degree angle, and I'm just gonna push it out. All right, push it out and start going around the toilet with it and let it dry. And that's pretty much it.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And smash that bell notification.